2015 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: DVD system, heated seats, Bose sound system, keyless entry, running boards, traction control, OnStar, navigation system, stability control, moonroof. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.